Big corded vacuums are a must for many homes. Now they've met their match. Dyson's V11 Outsize vacuum has a full-size cleaner head, designed to deep clean more floor faster. Dynamic load sensing intelligently adapts to different floor types to optimize power and runtime automatically. And black carbon fiber filaments remove fine dust from hard floors. The full-size bin collects even more debris before emptying. And this Dyson hyperdymium motor spins up to 125,000 RPM. So you get the suction power of most big corded vacuums without the hassle of a cord. Only a Dyson works like a Dyson. Since Dyson invented this cordless vacuum format, they've improved it relentlessly. Now they've gone big. Its cleaner head is 25% wider for faster deep cleaning and dynamic load sensing technology that intelligently adapts to different floor types to optimize power and runtime. Plus a bin that's 150% larger, so you can clean more before emptying. Only a Dyson works like a Dyson.
I have always had my own idea of freedom. A unique power, taking me beyond limits. Let's leave the ordinary behind.
Innovation Triflex HX1. Experience the exceptional flexibility of 3 vacuums in one handstick. With the extreme suction of Miele's Vortex technology and an extra-wide electro brush. Discover Miele's unique 3-in-1 innovation now.
talking about?
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Introducing the LG Cordzero cordless stick vacuum with compressor technology. Chances are you'll run out of energy long before this powerful vacuum does. Compressor technology compresses dirt and dust so you can keep cleaning instead of stopping to empty the dustbin. And 2 rechargeable, detachable batteries deliver up to 120 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning performance. With its convenient design and an array of useful attachments and features, you can use your Cordzero to easily clean carpets, hard floors, stairs, high-reach areas, furniture, and more. And when the bin is full, the compressor makes it easier to empty with less mess and scattered dust. The LG Cordzero cordless stick vacuum with compressor technology. Powerful suction, cordless convenience, and long-lasting cleaning power. Get yours today.
Gonna hit the ground running, baby, I'm running, baby, I'm running, 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 running. Gonna hit the ground running just as fast as I'm running, just as fast as I
Tineco. Live easy, enjoy life.
Hi, I'm Josh, one of the engineers that's worked on our latest vacuum technology. I can confidently tell you it's completely changed the way that I clean my own home. I used to find myself having to routinely and methodically go about cleaning my house from top to bottom, often missing areas, but also cleaning areas that didn't need to be cleaned. We now have 3 new technologies, a laser, a piezo sensor, and our LCD screen that have completely changed this. The laser shows me hidden dust, so I know exactly where I need to clean. The piezo senses the presence of dust and can increase the suction power of the machine, making cleaning more efficient. The LCD screen lets me know when the room is clean. It categorizes and sizes particles, so I know when the job is done. So I'm no longer cleaning every room every week. I'm cleaning when I need to, where I need to, and I have proof of a deep clean.
Dyson's latest vacuum is the only one to use a laser. It's precisely angled to reveal invisible dust. The slim, fluffy cleaner head's anti-static carbon fiber filaments pick up those microscopic particles. Suction is increased when needed, thanks to this special sensor, which counts each size and gives you scientific proof. It also comes with Dyson's pioneering technology, a high-torque cleaner head that automatically adjusts across different floors and dust amounts. 14 redesigned cyclones to maintain no loss of suction, the power of this hyperdymium motor, and 5-stage filtration capturing 99.99% of dust. For the most powerful, deep clean, all around your home. Buy direct from the people who made it. Free delivery from Dyson.
Tineco. Live easy, enjoy life.